Good morning, students. I welcome you all to the Lincoln School online class. I hope you all doing well. I'm your English teacher, Miss Ifra Ahmed. I hope you all enjoyed my previous lecture. Okay, students, as you know that in the previous lecture, we had done the how to write a letter, and we had also done the formal and informal letter. So today we are going to start that how to write an essay. Today we will do essay writing. So first of all, I will explain you what is the structure or essay format of an essay writing, that and then I will explain you that how to write an essay, what are the major points which we have to keep in our mind while writing an essay. Then after that I will show you a few slides in which there is a essay writing, or there is a essay that is on the topic of importance of education, which you have to write in your English language copy. So essay format. So the structure of essay format is, first of all, the first paragraph includes the introduction of the topic, and then the body, that is the detailed description of the topic of an essay, and then the conclusion, in which we conclude the topic of our essay, or we will also give few ideas about the topic. So what is an essay? Writing a short piece on a particular subject is called essay. So introductory paragraph includes, it is introducing the topic of the essay. It is actually the brief description of a particular topic. Then the body of essay have 2 paragraph or 3 paragraph which provide support and development to purpose for writing an essay, and in conclusion assembles the overall discussion of the essay. The conclusion is according to the author or the writer's point of view. Any writer may have contradiction to the aforementioned essay's conclusion. Any writers have the conclusion about the particular essay. To write an essay, the things which we have to keep in our mind is that, first of all, we have to decide what kind of essay we are going to write. Then brainstorm your topic. Then do research about the topic. Then outline your essay. Then focus on coherence of idea. Then edit your writing to check spelling and grammar. That's all about how to write an essay. Okay, now students, we will write an essay on the topic of an ideal student. So what is an ideal student? You have to write this essay in your English language copy. So an ideal student is one who is fully conscious of his duties and responsibilities. He paves the way for the younger generation. The students of today are the leaders of tomorrow. A nation can progress if the students have high ideals before them. A student who scores high marks is not necessarily an ideal student. He may set a new record in the school but can prove to be a total failure in his real life. Next paragraph is, an ideal student lives in accordance with the rules of conduct and discipline. This is the time of life when the foundation of character is laid. It has aptly been said that if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. But if character is lost, everything is lost. Now the last paragraph of this essay is, our country needs such students who have muscles of iron and nerves of steel. They should be able to deep dive into the secrets and mysteries of the universe. They should be determined to do their duty even at the risk of their own lives. Such students alone can help the nation in achieving prosperity and all around development. So this is the essay which you have to write after writing essay format in your English language copy. So this is your home task. You have to write this essay in your English language copy in a very neat and clean way. And if you have any question regarding the lecture of English language and English literature, you may ask anytime on your school WhatsApp number. Take a good care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.